Are you ready to explore how layered process audits can transform your business? This video delves into the systematic approach of LPAs using eAuditor to ensure quality and consistency. Discover how multiple audit layers and continuous improvement drive operational excellence. Process standardization is crucial for quality and efficiency. LPAs involve audits at various levels, from operators to executives. Early detection of non-conformances prevents defects and failures. eAuditor helps verify process adherence and identify variations. This approach ensures accountability and leadership involvement. Continuous improvement is at the heart of LPAs. Audit findings help refine processes and enhance efficiency. Compliance with standards like ISO and IATF is assured. eAuditor fosters a culture of ongoing enhancement. This reduces compliance risks and promotes workplace safety. Process adherence ensures operators follow instructions. Workplace organization is key for safety and efficiency. Equipment condition impacts production quality. Product quality checks prevent defects. Safety and compliance are crucial for employee protection. Select or customize a checklist to fit company needs, schedule audits, and assign them across different levels. Conduct audits in real time using eAuditor's features. Document findings, capturing photos and notes. Assign corrective actions to address deviations. Track corrective actions and monitor their completion. Generate detailed reports for management review. Use analytics to identify recurring issues. Adjust procedures to enhance compliance. eAuditor's system ensures continuous monitoring and improvement. eAuditor streamlines layered process audits, ensuring process control. By engaging leadership and providing real-time data, operational excellence is achieved. With standardized audits and automated reporting, continuous improvements are seamlessly implemented.